What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at a very simple and achievable concept on how to compound an account to only get 1% daily and be able to achieve financial freedom. Now, this theory is actually very simple, it's super easy to apply, and you're only going for 1%. 1%, guys. There's people out there that are trying to compound accounts on 5% daily. If you can do 1%, I promise you, you will be able to achieve financial freedom within your life. Obviously, it is going to take some work. You do have to trade and you got to be able to work for it. But if you can achieve a minimal 1% daily, you will achieve financial freedom. So, what is the compound structure and the purpose? The reason as to why we only aim for 1% daily is to be able to create a realistic and achievable approach to generating wealth on a portfolio. Now, the compound structure is based off the simple principle that 1% daily investment return will build sustainable results with minimal risk. Now, if the base start of the portfolio with a 1% structure, it will have a very, very slow start. But if you picture a snowball that's being rolled around constantly, in a very short matter of time, that snowball will become bigger and bigger and bigger. So now if our base principal on the account or the initial balance is going to be $1,000, that's like the average amount that people will deposit. If you look at Robinhood, anything like that, the base principal that people deposit is $1,000. Now we're trying to achieve 1% on this base value daily. And if we're going to look at the span of this, we're going to look at the span of 1 year. What you can achieve in a realistic manner within 1 year of the 1% daily concept. So let's look at month 1 to month 3. Now, if our start balance here is $1,000, by the end of month 1 of trading and achieving 1% daily, your total is going to be $304 in profit. So your total balance after this is going to be $1,304. You will have successfully achieved a 30% return on your portfolio within 1 month. Now, if we're going to be looking at month 3, you will already be sitting at a total of 2,218, which is positive, net positive, 120% on your portfolio value within 3 months using very minimal risk and achieving 1% daily. But this is where things start to pick up. If we're going to be looking at month 4 to month 6, you can see here at month 4, you're already going to be making within that month $674 in profit. That's a lot of profit for 1 month off of a small account, and you're using very minimal risk. Is it achievable? It is beyond achievable. But let's look at the numbers of month 6. By the end of month 6, you will have already generated $1,147 of profit within 1 month. Now we're starting to look at things that are getting bigger. Bigger and bigger. Remember that snowball that I was talking about? This is where things start to get wild. Your portfolio value by the end of month 6, within half a year, your portfolio value is already sitting at $4,920. And you're using minimal risk to achieve 1% daily. Alright? Let's look at the big picture. What can we expect within 1 year of doing this? Well, by the end of the trading year, your account is going to be sitting at $24,210. So within 12 months, you will have generated $23,210 in profit. This is just aiming for that 1% daily. You can't tell me that that's difficult. You can't tell me that that's crazy. You can't tell me it's far-fetched. Like I said, this is something that is sustainable and achievable. Look at this. This is what the portfolio growth looks like. Accelerated manner. As soon as you're already sitting half a year in, accelerated manner, you are going crazy with that profit. Now imagine if you're doing this on a $2,000 account. Or imagine if you're going to stretch this out over 2 years, over 3 years. This is where you start to achieve that financial freedom. This is where you see true profitability of just aiming for 1%. This is where you have to use minimal risk to achieve maximum results. It's very possible. You need a good strategy. You need to be an efficient trader. You need to be an effective trader. But all in all, you have to believe in yourself and you can do it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be uploading a ton more content for you guys.